What is up, you guys? So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right on into this video, you guys. I am getting ready to do a complete renovation of my coat closet and my downstairs area. You guys, I'm a little bit embarrassed because, you know what I'm saying, this started to become like a mess closet, a junk closet. So I was like, you know what? It's time to just do this thing, make it more functional, and just get that clutter out of there. So I don't want this video to be too much of me talking. This is going to be a sped up renovation, you guys. Like I said, it's DIY, and I hope you all enjoy. So as y'all can see, it is now 11:26. It is late. I got sort of a late start because the kids wanted to spend time with me, but I want to show you guys what I went ahead and did is I went ahead and trimmed out everything. So I'll show y'all. All right, you guys, now it's time for the sit test. You ready? Now, if I rate this, there you go. Ready?
Yep.
Shit, let me sit right here. You good? You good? Hey, that thing ain't moving at all. We secure. We secure. Sit test is passed, and I'm about 150. 150. Yeah, baby. Good. Good job. Alright, you guys, so what we're doing right here is we're going to take a little bit of wood glue, and this is what we're going to put on the front facing part of our bench once we get it open. So we're going to give this probably about 24 hours to dry before we start, you know, painting everything. So right now we're basically building up the structure, I think.
Exactly. Yeah, we're just constructing.
Yeah, right now we're just, you know, putting everything in its place. And I don't believe we're gonna paint on this round. We're gonna caulk everything, let everything set and dry. And then I'm probably gonna put you guys back up on another vlog once we're done with this part. I mean, we're not done with this part, but once we're done with, you know, building everything up. Good. Here go another one. Got one more to go, then we're pretty much done.
Right.
Well, for now, we still got to paint, and that'll be later.
Gotta cut the shell.
Yeah.
She gotta add the hooks.
But the base is done.
Can't show y'all everything.
Right?
In the first one.
All right, you guys, so this is where we are at right now. We have everything assembled. I have this shelving right here, you guys. I still have to paint that, so don't even pay that no mind, but I did just want to get it up and get it out the way and just have a visual of what it's going to look like. Anyways, this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. I have my bench applied. I went ahead and I taped off around the bench because I'm gonna be painting here soon and I don't want any of the paint to drip down on my bench right here, you guys. But this is part one. Slowly but surely it is coming together, you guys. Stay tuned for part two. So far I'm super excited, you guys. It is almost put together and I cannot wait to show you guys the finished product, you guys. Baby, it is looking so good right now. Like, I'm super excited, but I know I'm gonna be 10 times excited when I throw that paint on there. It's gonna be over. But yeah, y'all, that is gonna be it. Make sure that you guys stay tuned for part two and, you know, see the little decor and knickknacks that I get for my new shelving or whatever. But yeah, that is gonna be it. Make sure you like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.